In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an MCC account and link a Google Ads account. Let's get started with your journey into managing all your Google Ads in one place efficiently and effectively. First, head over to the Google Ads Manager account homepage. This is where you'll initiate the setup of your MCC or My Client Center account. Creating an MCC account is crucial, especially if you manage multiple Google Ads accounts, as it allows you to streamline your work and oversee everything under one roof. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Create a Manager Account and click it. This step is crucial because it starts the process of setting up the MCC, giving you control over all the accounts you plan to manage. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in with a Google account. Choose the Google account that you want to use for managing your ads. If you don't have one yet, it's simple to create a new account at this stage. This account will be your gateway to handling all the linked accounts, so make sure it's secure and accessible to you at all times. After you've signed in, you'll need to enter a display name for your manager account. This is how your account will be identified. So choose something that's clear and descriptive of your role or your company's name. It's a small but important step, as it helps to easily differentiate this manager account from others you might have. Now comes a decision point. You'll be asked whether you want to manage your own accounts or other people's accounts. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Select your location and time zone accurately, as this will impact how ad timing and reporting are displayed to you. Once everything looks good, click Submit to create your manager account. This sets up the basic structure, and you're one step closer to having everything under control. So with your manager account ready, click the accounts icon once more to proceed with the linking process. Navigate to the sub-account settings to continue. In sub-account settings, you'll see a plus button. Click this to start linking existing accounts. To link an account, you will need the customer ID of the Google Ads account you want to link. If you have multiple accounts, you can add them all by entering each ID on separate lines. This function saves you time by linking several accounts in one go. After entering the relevant IDs, click Send Request. This sends an email invitation to those with access to the Google Ads account. Remember, users must accept this invitation in their email for the account to be successfully linked to your manager account. Once they accept, you will receive a confirmation notification, and the linked account will now appear in your manager account's Accounts section. There you have it. Your MCC account is ready and your Google Ads account is linked. You're now set to manage your campaigns with greater ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.